Start by removing the 15mm drain plug on the transmission pan to drain the fluid. Then remove the 10mm bolts along the pan rails. There will be 20 of them, and you'll have to remove them all. Next, remove the exhaust downpipe by first removing the clamp that holds the downpipe to the transmission, and then remove the 6 13mm nuts and bolts securing the downpipe to the rest of the exhaust system and the catalytic converters. Now you will need to remove 2 13mm bolts securing the transmission dipstick to the engine block and transmission case, as the transmission dipstick goes to the bottom of the pan on this transmission, and it will prevent you from lowering the pan all the way. After you have removed the transmission pan, remove the 6 8mm bolts holding the filter to the valve body on the transmission and replace the filter. After you have replaced the filter, reinstall the 20 transmission pan bolts, tighten them, reinstall the exhaust, and reinstall the 13mm bolts on the transmission dipstick tube, and then refill with Dextron 3 or equivalent transmission fluid. This transmission takes 4.5 quarts.